Cracking the UGC-NET English Literature Exam on the first attempt requires a focused strategy, dedicated preparation, and a structured study plan. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus paper. Wait. This is a general paper on teaching and research aptitude. Focus on topics like logical reasoning, research methods, communication, and higher education systems. Paper 2. This is subject-specific, English literature. The syllabus includes British literature, medieval to contemporary, literary theory and criticism, Indian writing in English, American, and European literature, cultural studies, post-colonial literature, etc. Download and review the official syllabus from the UGC-NET website. 2. Create a study plan. Divide your syllabus. Break the syllabus into manageable chunks. Devote specific time slots to cover each part thoroughly. Daily routine. Dedicate 6 to 8 hours daily for study and revision. Spend more time on topics you find difficult. Revision schedule. Revise regularly to retain concepts. Allocate weekends for revising whatever you've studied during the week. 3. Select the right study material. Books. For paper. 1. Truman's UGC-NET General Paper. 1. KVS Madan's UGC-NET JRF Set General Paper 1. For paper 2. English Literature. Arihant's UGC-NET English Literature. Truman's UGC-NET English. Routledge History of Literature Series. British, American, etc. A Critical History of English Literature by David Dyches. An Outline History of English Literature by W. H. Hudson previous year. Papers. Solve at least the last 10 years' papers. Understand the types of questions asked, patterns, and key areas. Online resources. There are numerous online resources, like YouTube lectures, blogs, and educational websites offering free notes and video tutorials for UGC-NET English. Familiarize yourself with key concepts in structuralism, post-structuralism, postmodernism, feminism, queer theory, new historicism, cultural materialism, eco-criticism, psychoanalysis, Marxism, post-colonial theory. Use books like Peter Barry's Beginning Theory and Terry Eagleton's Literary Theory, an introduction to understand these theories in depth. Fiend. Focus on British and Indian literature. British literature constitutes a large part of the paper. Study from the Anglo-Saxon to the postmodern era, focusing on key texts, authors, movements, and genres. Indian writing in English, including major novelists, poets, and dramatists, is also important. Don't ignore Dalit literature, Indian theater, and partition literature. 6. Keep up with contemporary literature and critical essays. Stay updated on recent developments in English literature and critical essays. UGC-NET can include questions on modern or contemporary theories, new literary movements, and trends. 7. Practice mock tests and timed quizzes. Time management is crucial. Regularly take mock tests under exam conditions. This will help you get accustomed to the format and pace of the exam. Focus on solving multiple choice questions, MCQs, quickly and accurately. 8. Prepare notes and mind maps. Prepare concise notes, mind maps, and flowcharts for quick revision of major authors, works, periods, and critical theories. Use visual aids to organize and retain large volumes of information efficiently. Group studies and discussion. Engage in group discussions with fellow aspirants or join online study groups. This enhances understanding, clarifies doubts, and offers different perspectives on literary criticism and texts. Then, stay updated on exam notifications. Regularly check the National Testing Agency website for updates about exam dates, admit cards, and changes in the pattern or syllabus. Bonus tips: stay positive, believe in your preparation, and stay motivated. Take breaks. Don't overexert yourself. Balance study with relaxation to avoid burnout. Healthy routine. Maintain a healthy diet, regular exercise, and good sleep to stay energized during preparation. By following this structured approach, you will increase your chances of clearing the UGC-NET English Literature Exam on your first attempt. Please subscribe to the channel for more contemporary literature and important tips. Cover the video and share the video. Literature